Do the dishes over here. All right. We are back Thursday afternoon, 3 o'clock. We're here with Grandma Tanner. Today she will be making a pumpkin quiche. Is that how you say it?
Pumpkin quiche.
So take it away, Grandma.
Well, this little pumpkin is a sweetie pie. And yesterday I cut it in half, took the seeds out, peeled it, and I grated it.
I thought that was cheese.
It almost looks like cheese, but underneath is just a shade lighter because I used butternut squash and pumpkin. Okay. So, I think, in the recipe it says you could use zucchini also. But I have this little grater. I know you can buy these fancy graters, but this little thing works real good. I bought it at my aunt's auction. There was a set of 3 and it just grades it real nice. So anyway, that's how I grated onions.
They're hooping and hollering over there in that kitchen.
You gotta tell them.
Knock on the wall. Tell them quiet down.
Okay, so I'm going to take 4 eggs and beat them with half a cup of milk. I gathered these eggs yesterday from our chickens, so they won't be any fresher than this. 4 nice eggs. Sometimes I break them into another pan. If you're teaching children to break eggs, always have them break them in another pan, because they always seem to get a little bit of shells in there. So I got them in there. Whip them up with a half a cup of milk. I think if you beat these eggs so they're real nice and fluffy, and then you, I preheated my oven to 350 also. And this is a large pie pan or pie plate. Or yesterday, I made one earlier and I used a regular quiche. And they're a little bit deeper, but it wasn't quite this big, so.
Hoping it all fits in there.
I do. So, it's 3 cups of shredded pumpkin. It makes quite a bit.
That's a lot in there.
Yeah.
But it would be good with the zucchini.
Yeah. You can, if in the spring, you can use zucchini. Be a nice breakfast or a brunch, really, because it's got bacon and everything in it. So I fried a half a pound of bacon yesterday and drained it. You always want to drain it real good. So we'll put that in there. Stir it all up. Now, a half a cup of Parmesan grated cheese.
You just use the...
Yeah, I just got that. I suppose you could get Parmesan cheese and grate it yourself with my little grater. So it's getting a little thicker. Now a half a cup of Bisquick. The Bisquick probably makes it rise a little bit along with the eggs. 1/4 of a cup of chopped peppers, which I had that done ahead of time. Kind of stir each one as you go. And here's a half a cup of onions. Well, it's actually a little more than a half a cup. It's one small onion. And the onion is what gives it a little zip.
Grandma was cutting those before I came in, and
I had a tear running down my face.
I said, "You need your onion goggles." We don't know where they are. Probably in your locker.
Oh, maybe they are in my locker. So it's 1 can of mushrooms, the pieces and stems. Mix that all in there.
Don't forget the oil.
Yep, and then a 1/4 of a cup of oil. I'm just using a Crisco. I think that's a 1/4 right there. Put a little bit of moisture in it.
I'll have to compare. She made one yesterday. The one you made yesterday.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to just put it in the oven.
She forgot the oil.
I forgot the oil.
So we're going to see what the difference is.
This one will be a lot more moist. But you know those employees, they'll eat anything.
Marco's here today. He eats everything.
Yeah.
Marco's like Mikey. Back in the Life commercials.
We have a good group of employees.
No cheese in it, huh?
Well, the Parmesan cheese is the only thing.
I was thinking cheddar.
So it's pumpkin, bacon, onion, green pepper, mushrooms, Parmesan cheese, Wesson oil, Bisquick, and 4 eggs and a little bit of milk. So there it is. Looks pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to pour it into this baking dish that
you sprayed with Pam.
I sprayed with Pam. Looks like I got a little piece of onion in there, but I don't think I do. So I hope this all fits in here. It does not rise a whole lot. It just kind of...
You're pushing it.
Craig was gonna, or Kate was, ask her to send a quiche dish. This'll work out just fine.
Work.
This'll be real nice. Be a nice breakfast.
Brunch.
A brunch, breakfast.
Healthy.
Yeah, it's pretty healthy. With squash in there. Just a little bit of bacon. So that's what it looks like.
And then you bake it at
350 for 30 minutes.
Let's see your other one.
So
that's what it looks like. It looks good.
It looks real good. So I'm gonna warm that up a little bit. We'll warm this one up, and I don't know if you can put any kind of topping on them. Probably not. What kind of topping would you put on there?
Butter. Butter and gravy.
Oh, yeah.
Sausage gravy, maybe. That'd be good. All right. Well, Grandma Tanner made pumpkin quiche today. I'll post the recipe on our Facebook page here after we're done. But what do you want to say?
Okay, all of our squash, we have beautiful squash this year and lots of them. So yesterday we put all of them, buy one, get one free. And we have beautiful butternut, spaghetti, acorn, sweet mama.
And then the little gourds.
And the little gourds. And the mini pumpkins. I think they're buy one, get one free.
Just not the big, no jack-o'-lanterns and not the sweetie pies.
Yeah.
So.
Yep.
And then, Grandma, we got some exciting things going on this weekend. We have a truck show on Sunday. So bring your truck out. No entrance fee or anything. It's just for fun. We'll do some judging, and the winners get a day at Tanner's certificate. And then on Sunday from 10 to 5, we'll have Elsa from Frozen and her ice pony, and they will be in the back 40 Fun Acres. So your admission to the back 40 will include Elsa and the ice pony, and they'll be behind the big hill with the unicorn. So
that'll be fun.
Oh,
now you say the truck show is Saturday.
Elsa's on Sunday. Yep. So Elsa will be here this Sunday and next Sunday.
And we still have quite a few apples to be picked out there.
Yep. We got Pink
Fuji
Lady
and Pink Lady and probably Red Delicious.
Golden Delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Brayburn. I was just telling a lady on the phone that I can't remember all on the list. But yeah. So we got probably one this weekend. The weather's looking great, and hopefully next weekend too. So we'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching.